Hey guys, welcome to another video. So today we are going to unbox iPhone SE Rose Gold 32GB from toogood.com, which is in very good condition. So this is the packaging in which the package arrived, and there was one more box like this one which is really very big. So I just kept it aside and let's just have a look at the phone box. So over here some details are mentioned, as you all can see. Name of the commodity, mobile phone, brand model, Apple iPhone SE Rose Gold 32GB, then grade certified refurbished, very good, MRP 24999. Okay, so packed on November 2018, unique ID dash dash dash. So this contains 1 unit of mobile phone and 1 unit of charger. Okay, so this packaging was done by F1 Info Solution, that means the Apple service care, the place which service for iPhones. So let's just slide the box down, and then here also it is written the product is sold and shipped by seller to buyer for the transaction on www.toogood.com. refer details. Nothing. So over here is the box. So I've actually seen the product, but just to check that there's phone only and nothing like something like soap there, as there are many viral videos which were being spread on social media, like getting phones instead of phone soaps were being recovered. So let's just open this box up again. So slide up. So, okay, so here's iPhone SE wrapped in some polythene. That's not a good sign. Let's just put this up and keep it aside. SIM ejector tool lying over here. Okay, then so no Apple paperwork. So this basically says Toogood, congratulations, you just shopped on toogood.com. You one-stop shop for all things delightful at prices that are too good to be true. Okay, what's about, and some more information you can, let me just zoom. If you want to read, then you can definitely pause the video and read it. Okay, so why shop on. Okay, then here's the warranty card. So this too has the number of F1 Info Solutions. Then OMG, this isn't a MFI certified charger, this is a duplicate charger. Okay, so this cable is also a duplicate cable from a brand ERD, and the cable is also from the same brand ERD. So I'm going to return this parcel, as these cables and chargers damaged the phone, as once in my relation someone bought a 6S and then he purchased a duplicate charger with it. So the duplicate charger damaged the phone and the phone never turned on, and Apple refused to service it as it was because of a duplicate charger. So I'm not going to charge the phone from this charger, but let's just check it out, that will the phone charge from this charger. Okay, so let me just put this phone in the power supply. Okay, so let me just remove this rubber band. What do you call it? Yeah, rubber band. Okay, so this is the cable. Let me just put. Okay, so yeah, the phone is charging, no problem. Okay, but let me just remove, as this charger will damage, I know. Anything else in the box? No, nothing else in the box. Okay, so that was it for this video, guys, and make sure that you like the video and subscribe to my channel. Peace out.